Hello everyone! Welcome to Teacher Frel TV! Our subject for today is Math 4, Quarter 2, Week 2, Melc-Based. Let's learn about finding the common factors and multiples, Gcf and LCM. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to use those methods to find common factor, greatest common factor or GCF, least common multiples or LCM, and common multiples in the given numbers. Hello kids! Today, we are going to learn about finding common factors and multiples, GCF and LCM. The common factors are those factors that are all common in the two or more numbers. The largest factor among those common factors will be the greatest common factor or GCF. The smallest multiples among those common multiples will be the least common multiples or LCM. The common multiples are those multiples that are common or the same in the given numbers. To understand this lesson well, read and analyze first the short problem below and observe how the idea of common factor and greatest common factor help solve the problem. Let us read the problem. Leo wants to cover a 30 cm by 40 cm cardboard of identical square paper. Can you help him to find the largest possible square to cover his cardboard? Using the block model in the left side, you can now consider that the initial step is to divide each side into groups of the same or equal lengths. The idea of this step is also the same in finding the common factors of 30 and 40. Observe how the concept of GCF applied in this problem. Method 1. Listing method. The factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. The factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. The common factors of 30 and 40 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. 1, 2, 5, and 10 are common factors of both 30 and 40. The largest among these factors is 10. Therefore, the greatest common factor or GCF of 30 and 40 is 10. Let's go back to the problem. The side of the largest possible square is 10 cm. The cardboard of Leo can be covered of 12 squares with 10 by 10 cm side. Another method to solve the problem is method 2 using factor 3. Here are the given, 30 and 40. 30 is divisible by 2, so 2 times 15. Then 15 is divisible by 3, so 3 times 5. And then 40 is divisible by 2, so 2 times 20. And 20 is divisible by 2, so 2 times 10. Then 10 is divisible by 2, so 2 times 5. The prime factor of 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. The prime factor of 40 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. 30 and 40 have the same numbers. These are 2 and 5. Multiply 2 times 5 to get the GCF. So 2 times 5 equals 10. The GCF or the greatest common factor of 30 and 40 is 10. Another method to solve the problem is method 3 using continuous division. 40 and 30 are the given numbers. 40 and 30 are divisible by 2. write 2. And then, divide. 40 divided by 2 is 20. Then 30 divided by 2 is 15. 20 and 15 are divisible by 5. Write 5. Then divide. 20 divided by 5 is 4. And 15 divided by 5 is 3. 4 and 3 have no common factor except 1. Therefore, you need to stop here. And then multiply 2 and 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. The greatest common factor or GCF of 40 and 30 is 10. Let's study another example. Find the LCM or least common multiple of 18, 24, and 36 using the different methods. Method 1 is listing method. So the multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126, 144, and 162. The multiples of 24 are 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, 144, 168, 192, and 216. The multiples of 36 are 36, 72, 108, 144, 180, 216, 252, 288, and 323. 72, 144 are the common multiples. So the common multiples for 18, 24, and 36 are 72 and 144. The smallest among all these common multiples is 72. Therefore, 72 is least common multiples or LCM. Next, apply method 2 using factor 3. Here are the given: 18, 24, and 36. 18 is divisible by 2, so 2 times 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so 3 times 3. Next is 24. 24 is divisible by 2, so 2 times 12. And 12 is divisible by 2, so 2 times 6. Then 6 is divisible by 2, so 2 times 3. Next is 36. 36 is divisible by 2, so 2 times 18. Then 18 is divisible by 2, 2 times 9. And 9 is divisible by 3, so 3 times 3. The prime factors of 18 is 2 times 3 times 3. The prime factors of 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. The prime factors of 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And then multiply all the prime factors. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 equals 72. Therefore, the LCM of 18, 24, and 36 is equal to 72. Another method to solve the problem is the continuous division. 18, 24, and 36 are divisible by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 36 divided by 2 is 18. So 9, 12, and 18 are divisible by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 4 and 6 have still common factor 2. Continues the process and until any of the number have no common factors except 1. 4 and 6 are divisible by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then carry down 3 to the next line. 3 is divisible by 3, so 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then carry down 2. Now, multiply 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 1 times 2 times 1 equals 72. So the LCM or the least common multiples of 18, 24, and 36 is equal to 72. Now, try to do the following activities. Learning Task 1. Find the common factors and at least first 3 possible multiples of each number using any of the methods. Write your answer in your notebook. Number 1. 25 and 75. We will do the method 1, listing method. The factors of 25 are 1, 5, and 25. The factors of 75 are 1, 3, 5, 15, 25, and 75. 1, 5, and 25 are the common factors of 25 and 75. The multiples of 25 are 25, 50, and 75. And the multiples of 75 are 75, 150, 225. Number 2, 35 and 45. The factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7, 35. The factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. 1 and 5 are the common factors of 35 and 45. The multiples of 35 are 35, 70, and 105. The multiples of 45 are 45, 90, and 135. Number 3, 21 and 56. The factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7, 21. The factors of 56 are 1, 2, 7, 8, 28, 56. 1 and 7 are the common factors of 21 and 56. The multiples of 21 are 21, 42, and 63. And the multiples of 56 are 56, 112, 168. Number 4, 54 and 72. The factors of 54 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, 54. The factors of 72 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 9, 18, 36, 72. 1, 2, 9, and 18 are the common factors of 54 and 72. The multiples of 54 are 54, 108, 162. And the multiples of 72 are 72, 144, 216. Number 5, 27 and 36. The factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9, 27. The factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12, 18, and 36. 1, 3, 9 are the common factors of 27 and 36. The multiples of 27 are 27, 54, 81. And the multiples of 36 are 36, 72, 108. And number 6, 12 and 16. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. The factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 1, 2, 4 are the common factors of 12 and 16. The multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36. And the multiples of 16 are 16, 32, and 48. Next activity, Learning Task 2. Find the GCF and LCM of each number using any of the methods. Write your answer in your notebook. Number 1, 25 and 75. The greatest common factor of 25 and 75 is 25. And the least common multiple of 25 and 75 is 75. Number 2, 35 and 45. The GCF of 35 and 45 is 5. And the LCM of 35 and 45 is 315. Number 3, 27 and 36. The greatest common factor of 27 and 36 is 9. And the least common multiples of 27 and 36 is 108. Number 4, 21 and 56. The greatest common factor of 21 and 56 is 7. And the least common multiples of 21 and 56 is 168. Number 5, 54 and 72. The greatest common factor of 54 and 72 is 18. And the least common multiples of 54 and 72 is 216. And number 6, 12 and 16. The greatest common factor of 12 and 16 is 4. And the least common multiples of 12 and 16 is 48. Next activity, Learning Task 3. Solve the following problem using the concept of LCM and GCF. Number 1. Julius has 72 cups and 64 glasses. If he will put it in the tray with the same number of cups and glasses, what is the biggest possible number of cups and glasses that the tray will contain? The factors of 72 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 9, 18, 36, 72. The factors of 64 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. So 72 are the number of cups and 64 are the number of glasses. So the greatest common factor of 72 and 64 is 8. Number 2. Miss May has 3 ribbons to be cut in the same lengths. The lengths of the ribbons are 24, 40, and 48 inches. What is the greatest possible length of each piece of ribbon to avoid leftover ribbons? The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. The factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40. The factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24, 48. So 24, 40, and 28 are the lengths of ribbons. The GCF or the greatest common factor of 24, 40, and 28 is 8. Number 3. Leo visits the regional office once every 2 days. Ethan visits once every 4 days while JP visits once every 6 days. They all meet one day in the office. After how many days will they meet again at the regional office? The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24. The GCF or the greatest common factor of 2, 4, and 6 is 12. They will all meet after 12 days. Learning Task 4. Find the LCM of each number using factor 3. Write your answer in your notebook. Number 1. 2 times 4, 2 times 7, 2 times 5. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 5 equals 10. So the prime factors of 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. The prime factors of 14 is 2 times 7. The prime factors of 10 is 2 times 5. Then copy all the prime factors. 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 7 equals 280. So the least common multiple of 8, 14, and 10 is 280. Number 2. 3 times 8, 2 times 6, and 3 times 5. 3 times 8 equals 24. 2 times 6 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. The prime factors of 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. The prime factors of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. The prime factors of 15 is 3 times 5. So list down all the prime factors. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 equals 120. The least common multiples of 24, 12, and 15 is equals to 120. Number 3. 2 times 3, 2 times 12, 3 times 10. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 12 equals 24. 3 times 10 equals 30. The prime factors of 6 is 2 times 3. The prime factors of 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. The prime factors of 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. Then list down all the prime factors. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 equals 120. So the LCM of 6, 24, 30 is equal to 120. Number 4. 2 times 9, 3 times 9, 4 times 9. 2 times 9 equals 18. 3 times 9 equals 27. 4 times 9 equals 36. The prime factors of 18 is 2 times 3 times 3. The prime factors of 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. The prime factors of 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. List down all the prime factors. Then 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 108. The LCM of 18, 27, 36 is equals to 108. Number 5. 4 times 6, 4 times 5, 4 times 8. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 8 equals 32. The prime factors of 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. The prime factors of 20 is 2 times 2 times 5. The prime factors of 32 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Then list down all the prime factors. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 equals 480. So the LCM of 24, 20, and 32 is equals to 480. And for the last activity, learning task 5, find the GCF of each number using continuous division. Write your answer in your notebook. Number 1. 4 square, 2 square, 3 square. 4 square is 4 times 4 equals 16. 2 square is 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 square is 3 times 3 equals 9. 16, 4, and 9 have no common factor except 1. Therefore, the GCF is 1. So the greatest common factor of 16, 4, and 9 is 1. Number 2. 8 square, 2, 4, 6 square. 8 square. 8 times 8 equals 64. 2, 4. 2 times 2 equals 16. 6 square. The divisible of 64, 16, and 36 is 2. 64 divided by 2 is 32. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 36 divided by 2 is 18. So 32, 8, and 18 is divisible by 2. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 2 times 2 equals 4, so the greatest common factor is 4. Number 3. 3/3, 72, 6 square. 3/3, 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. Then copy 72. 6 square, 6 times 6 equals 36. 27, 72, 36 are divisible by 3. So 27 divided by 3 is 9. 72 divided by 3 is 24. 36 divided by 3 is 12. 9, 24, 12 are divisible by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Therefore, 3 times 3 equals 9. So the greatest common factor of 27, 72, and 36 is 9. Number 4. 4/3, 2/5, 8 times 5. 4/3, 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. 2/5, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 32. Then 8 times 5 equals 40. 64, 32, and 40 are divisible by 2. 64 divided by 2 is 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 40 divided by 2 is 20. Then 32, 16, and 20 are divisible by 2. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So 16, 8, and 10 are divisible by 2. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then 10 divided by 2 is 5. Therefore, 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. The GCF or the greatest common factor of 64, 32, and 40 is 8. Number 5. 5 square, 20. 5 times 11. 5 times 5 equals 25. Copy 20. 5 times 11 equals 55. 25, 20, and 55 are divisible by 5. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 55 divided by 5 equals 11. So therefore, the greatest common factor of 25, 20, and 55 is 5. And number 6, 3/3, 45, 6 times 9. 3/3, 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. Copy 45. 6 times 9 equals 54. So 27, 45, and 54 are divisible by 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 45 divided by 3 is 15. 54 divided by 3 is 18. So 9, 15, and 18 are divisible by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So therefore, 3 times 3 equals 9. So the greatest common factor of 27, 45, and 54 is 9. Remember, to find the common factor and the multiples as well as GCF and LCM, you may use listing method, factor tree, and continuous division. GCF is the product of all the prime divisors, while LCM is the product of all divisors and the numbers in the final row. Kids, did you do all the activities? Wow! Good job! Kids, I hope you learned a lot from this lesson. Until our next topic, bye-bye kids! Thanks for watching!